Hello, welcome to my class. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 13, 14 and 15 from exercise 5.2 from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the 13th question is, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? We have to find the number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. So 3-digit numbers means it will be between 100 and 1000, right? And so, or we can take it as 999, between 100 and 999. And we have to find the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7. To find the first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7, divide this by 7. So 100 by 7, 10 by 7 is 1, then 7, 3 remainder. Now we have 30, 30 divided by 7, 4, 7 fours are 28, 2 remainder. So this remainder is 2 means we have to add 5 more to get the quotient as 1 more, right? To get the quotient as 15, we have to add 5 more. That is, to make this number divisible by 7, we have to add 5 more, which means first term of this AP is 105, right? Because 105 is divisible by 7. And we can do the same with 999. Divide this by 7. 7 will go in 9 one time. Then 7, 2 remainder. Now 29. 7 fours are 28. 1 remainder. Then 19. So 7 will go in 19. 2 times 14, 5. So we have to subtract 5 from this to make this number divisible by 7, right? So 999 minus 5 is 994. So 994 is divisible by 7, which means AN, last term is 994. Okay, so we can write it as AN or TN. So AN equal to 994. And D, what is D here? All these numbers will have difference of 7, right? Because all these numbers are divisible by 7. So D is equal to 7. Now, we can solve this. We have to find the number of terms that are divisible by 7. Number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. First term is 105 and last term is 994. So, we can apply the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And we know that this AN is 994. We can write it as A plus N minus 1 into D equal to AN. So, 105 plus N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 994. Right? Now, we can write this as 7 into N minus 1 is equal to 994 minus 105. So, we will get this as 889. So what is n minus 1? N minus 1 is equal to 889 by 7. 8 by 7 is 1. 1 remainder. 18 by 7 2. Then 4 remainder. 49 by 7 is 7. So what is n? N is equal to 127 plus 1, which is equal to 128. So there are 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Okay. Next one, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Multiples of 4. So what is the first number? It is 12. 12 is a multiple of 4 and then 250. It should be less than 250. The number which is divisible by 4 near to 250 but less than 250. So we can divide this by 4 and see. 6 fours are 24. Then 1 so we will get 2 as remainder. So we have to subtract 2 from this, which means the number is 248. So AN or TN equal to 248. So we know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And what is D here? D here is 4 because they are having difference of 4 because they are divisible by 4 or they are multiple. These numbers are multiples of 4 which means D equal to 4. So we can substitute that here. 12 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to an is 248. So we can write this as 4 into n minus 1. This is nothing but 4 into n minus 1 is equal to 248 minus 12 and that is equal to 236. So what is n minus 1? N minus 1 is equal to 236 by 4. 23 by 4 is 5. Then 3 remainder. Now 36 by 4 is 9. So we got n minus 1 as 59. So what is n? N is equal to 59 plus 1 which is equal to 60. So there are 60 terms which are multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. There are 60 terms. 60 terms are there. You can pause the video and note this. Now 15th question. For what values of n are the nth terms of these APs equal? There are two APs 63, 65, 67 etc. and 3, 10, 17 etc. For what values of n are the nth terms of these APs equal? Which means this AN is equal to this AN. AN of this AP or AN of this AP is equal to AN of this AP. Okay. So here first term is 63. A is equal to 63. Then D equal to 65 minus 63 which is equal to 2. And here A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 10 minus 3 which is equal to 7. And we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Right? This is equal to this. 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So 63 plus, we can multiply this n minus 1 and 2. We will get 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. Now 63 minus 2 is 61. 61 plus 2n equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So 7n minus 4. Now we can take the n term to the left hand side and the constant to the right hand side. Okay. So 2n minus 7n. 2n minus 7n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. So what is 2n minus 7n? It is minus 5n. Minus 5n equal to minus 4 minus 61 is minus 65. So what is n? Minus 65 by minus 5 which is equal to 13. Minus by minus is plus and 6 by 5 is 1. 1 remainder, 15 by 5 is 3. So we got n equal to 13. That is 13th term of both these APs will be equal. Now 16th question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. So third term is 16 which means A3 is equal to 16 and 7th term is A7 exceeds 5th term A5 by 12. So A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Now from these conditions we have to determine the AP. Now A3 equal to 16 means A plus 2D equal to 16. Let this be equation 1. And from this we will get A plus 60 equal to A7 is A plus 60 equal to A5 is A plus 4D plus 12. So taking this to the left hand side we will get A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. Which means this A minus A is 0 and 6D minus 4D is 2D. 2D is equal to 12. Which means D is equal to 12 by 2. which is equal to 6. So we got d as 6. Now substitute this d in equation 1. We'll get a plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16, which means a plus 12 is equal to 16. So a equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4. So we got a as 4 and d as 6. Now finding this AP is easy. So first term is 4. AP is, first term is 4. Then second term is 4 plus 6, which is 10. Then third term is 10 plus 6, which is 16. Fourth term is 16 plus 6, which is 22, and so on. So this is the AP. 4, 10, 16, 22, etc. is the A. Okay. So we have completed question number 14, 15 and 16 from exercise 5.2, and we'll continue with question number 17 in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay. Thank you and bye.